Hi all, my name is Gina and I joined the Forex for Beginners Academy with Saeed Ali back in 2020, but I didn't completely finish. I guess the timing wasn't right. So I restarted the course about a month ago, and I'm happy about the progression that I've made throughout the course. Because I didn't get as far the last time. But I've gotten this far this time, and I'm very happy and appreciative about it. Um, this training is very detailed and has helped me tremendously in learning how to read the charts, which I never thought that I would touch or even comprehend. But with this training, because of the details, and it's so much knowledge pouring into this training, is just such a wonderful thing to experience. And it's free. There's so many other places that will charge you and won't even give you half the information that Saeed is presenting to you or presenting to us. So I'm very grateful for this opportunity. I'm very grateful that we get to take in all this knowledge for free. Some of the things that I never thought I would understand. I would never thought I would understand the Fibonacci, where to put it, when to do it, and the EMAs. The EMAs, I was like, why do we need these lines? But as we go further through the course, everything just starts coming to you. It's a bit overwhelming at first to take in all the knowledge, but at the same time, once you just continue with the course, you really get all that information, and you take it in as much as you can without even realize you taking in as much as you can. So when you get further down the line, you're like, oh, this sounds familiar to me, or you get more comfortable with it as you continue the course. And it is very important for you to continue the course and to fully complete it, because if you go along and think that you're going to figure it out and get, make money and get it the way that you think you're going to get it, without finishing the course, you're going to be stuck out. You're going to be stuck out and you're going to have a hard time. So definitely complete the course. It's a good thing. And happy trading.